Kim Townsel here. I ordered a new Galaxy 24 Plus phone, and I ordered the case that this is in, and I also ordered the WSKEN screen protector. It actually has 2 screen protectors and 2 full installation kits in there. And it comes with these cute little stickers, and it comes with this installation box, which makes installation a breeze. I was terrified about putting screen protectors on because I thought, how am I going to do this without getting bubbles in them? But this thing is perfect. It has everything that you need to install the second screen in the event that you need to. So let's see the details of this. The WSKEN screen protector for my Galaxy 24 Plus. I am so nervous about putting this on. I have had the phone for probably about a month now, but I haven't taken it up with me because I haven't had a case. I have a case now. To put the screen protector on the phone, I'm going to have to take it out of the case, which I did. Here's some manufacturer's information. It's sealed up in cellophane, so I'll have to open it up. Very tightly fitted inside the box. We have the installation case. We have what I presume is the screen cover. Some stickers. We have instructions. To be honest, I went and looked on the Amazon instructions, but it clearly tells you what to do here, but the visuals help me a little bit better. Have some little greeting information, a thank you card. We have a tool to help smooth out any bubbles that might remain. And these are going to be the installation tools. And it tells you if you want to use the fingerprint function of your phone, you're going to have to remove the fingerprint function that you had on there and then redo it after you get the screen on there, because apparently it changes. So this is the installation box. Step 1, it says if your phone has a phone case, please remove it first before starting to apply the screen protector. Step 1 is to lift the screen protector and put the phone right in the installation tray. This is the top, this is the bottom. This is the top of my phone. This is the bottom. Put it right in there. Step 2, I'm going to have to open the installation tools. It says it has 2. We have a dust absorber, we have a wet wipe. Another dust absorber, we have another wet wipe, and we have this microfiber cloth. Step 2 is to clean the screen with the alcohol pack, then the cleaning cloth, and then the dust removal sticker. Wet wipe. Wet large. Now the cleaning cloth. The dust absorber. The videos that I watched kind of skidded through this part. I'm assuming you're just picking up any dust or fibers that happen to remain on there. Suppose the spare dust absorber and the spare wet wipe is in case you need to do a reinstallation, which I hope I do not. Looking at this for step 3, wondering why I have 2 of these, and I look at the box and it says there are 2 pieces on here, so apparently I have 2 screen protectors in here. Step 3 says put down the screen protector and close the installation tray. So it has these little pegs, I guess you would call them here. So I'm going to put those in there. So the little pegs actually go down in here. And push them until they snap into place. I need to pull this off. I didn't want to touch anything I didn't need to touch. Then I'm going to pull down the screen protector, close the installation tray. Step 4 is pull the dust elimination film to remove the particles. That is going to be this. Oh, so this pulls off the top and this pulls off the bottom of this. This pulls off the bottom of the screen protector. Step 5, hold the top of the kit and the handle on the lid. Roll slowly to fully vent the screen protector. I think somebody said you had to lift this a little bit. So I'm going to hold it right here like a little handle. Pull this down. That's as far as it will go. And it doesn't say on here, but I saw videos where it said to push the top back up. That means you have to push it back up again. Now, step 6, at last, tear off the outer protective layer and finish the operation. Let's see. So there's a very tiny little piece that hangs off the end of this and the end of that. So I'm assuming that that is what comes off. It is sticky. And I guess it's done. I don't see any bubbles. I don't see anything, actually. It looks perfect, which is hard to believe. I just don't trust my own skills. Oh, I thought this was going to be a mess. But it wasn't. Then I'm going to push up where the camera is. And I guess I have a perfectly installed screen protector. How cool is that? For replacement steps, it says the case is reusable. You just have to replace the new screen protector on it. It says make sure nothing else remains in the box, like this. That means these have to come out, and I'm not sure how those are supposed to pop out. Oh, okay. Well, I'd use a pair of needle nose pliers because I wasn't able to pry them up. Okay. I'll save this in case I have to reuse it. That is just too cool. That is just too perfect. There's one video about the screen protector from WSKEN that said it had a privacy feature on it, but mine does not. It said that somebody from the side would not be able to see what's on your screen, but mine does not have that. But everything works just really well with the screen protector on there, so I'm quite pleased. I'm confident enough I can put it back in the case and it's going to be just fine. My case is still pretty tight because it's brand new. But the one thing about this screen cover is it's not supposed to come over the edge of the 24 plus. I did not want a 25 because I don't like the square edges on the 25, and I still like the edges that the 24s have. Alright, now my phone is ready to go. I have my leather case with my magnetic closure, my place for my credit cards, and I have a screen protector. We are good to go. Thank you for watching my video about the WSKEN screen protector. If you have time before you go, watch another video. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a positive comment if you can. If you'll check in the text below, I'll provide a link on how you can buy this for your phone, and I'll give you a link to their store so you can see if they have a screen protector that's going to fit your phone. But this was an amazing, amazing experience. I couldn't believe it. I was so nervous, and there was nothing to be nervous about. It went on perfectly, just so easy. Thanks for watching, and until we meet again, let's just help each other find those solutions for those problems that we have with modern technology. Bye.